Hey, I'm Brian Van, SportbikeTrackYou.com, and today we're going to do a product review on the all-new RS TAICHI RSS010 Combat Drymaster riding shoes. I'm not going to lie, their product names are long, and that is a mouthful. The combat riding shoes retail for $289.95 as of the time we're shooting this video. Please understand, we don't update the videos for pricing changes, only if the product itself has been completely redesigned. Before I dive into features and bennies, right, let's talk about sizing. That can be unique with some of the RS TAICHI stuff because, you got the Japanese, the Euro sizes, right, and then the US size. This boot is marked 46 Euro, okay, 28.5 Japanese, and 11.5 US. I wear a size 12 in basically every shoe that I have or boot. This size right here, right, which is the 46 Euro, with a lot of boots, the 46 is a size 12, fits me great. They have ample width, right? I would say the width is average. It's not overly wide, and it's certainly not narrow, okay? Plenty of room front to back. So this to me feels maybe a little closer to a 12 than it does an 11.5, but at the end of the day, we're talking about a half size. Who is this right for? They're billing this as part of their, they kind of have this new adventure collection. So you'll see like a little ABV on here. So I suppose for an adventure rider, this could be an attractive piece for sure. But looking beyond that, I feel like this could lend itself to a lot of other styles. You look at the styling of the boot itself, it is kind of a combat boot look, right? It's fair to say that. In a super comfy package. This is using the Vibram sole, okay? Tons of comfort and cushioning, tons of grip while walking around, okay? So in inclement weather, you have that. This uses their proprietary Drymaster windproof, waterproof membrane. Highly breathable, it's really effective. They've been using it for years. It's good stuff, okay? BOA lacing system, which is just a fantastic entry and exit for the boots. It keeps it very clean, and this stuff is pretty much bulletproof. Entry and exit, to exit, you just pull out. You grab on this little handle they incorporate here too, and that allows you to open the laces up all the way and really get yourself a lot of room to enter and exit the boot. I've had these on, I've worn them around the shop. They feel really good when you're walking in them. They feel great when you have them on your feet. This is the type of thing you could wear this when you get to your destination, walk around quite a bit in comfort. Or for some riders during certain parts of the year, you could even use these for kind of, fall weather shoes, wintertime shoes, stuff like that, and get a little more use out of the product itself. Protection. We have reinforcement here in the toe box. There is reinforcement back here in the heel cup. There is plenty of padding up here in the ankle area as well, okay? So you got impact and abrasion resistance in this short riding shoe package. Reflective inserts. You see a tiny little one here on the toe. Little reflectives are done back here, right? You can see these have been stitched over the outside of the boot. Those are going to provide some impact and abrasion protection. Even the insert that's inside the boot itself is not an afterthought. This is designed to enhance your experience with these boots, right? You can see this is a composite design, right? There's some perforations to help manage, and promote like airflow and circulation inside the boot to keep your feet feeling comfortable, right? TAICHI, that's really what they're about. It's the fine details, They look at every tiny little thing in all of their products, and they add just that last couple of percent to it, and that's what separates them from their competition. An example of it is the insole, right? It's not just a flat piece of foam, it's a technical piece of foam. And then you look at that tiny little reflective insert there, adding that detail to it also shows their commitment to excellence with all their products. When you put the boot on, just simply wind up the lacing system like so, dial it in till you get the desired effect. The shifter pad, you can see the boots are not symmetrical. They've only incorporated the shifter pad on the left side where the shifter actually lives. All in all, what do I think? Taichi makes some phenomenal products. It's a brand that we're definitely proud to offer here at STG. Most people are familiar with it. Not everyone is super familiar with it. This is a solid pair of footwear. If you like the look, pull the trigger. They're worth the investment. If you have any questions, leave those in the comments section of the video. I answer all that stuff myself, and I'm always here to help you all out.